you gorgeous? Hi. Are you going to move so I can walk past? Is that a yes or a no? This is going to be embarrassing, Bobby. It's people coming. Bike park. Look at all this over here. Sweet. Isn't it the sweetest? Look at it. Keeps going and going. Oh, that bee. How cute. What's over here? Christ Church in Taita, Lower Hutt, is the oldest church in the Wellington region and one of the oldest, in its original condition, in New Zealand. It's also thought to be the oldest complete building in Wellington. The church was built by pioneer families and held its first service in 1854. It holds a Category 1 historic place. And thanks to this church being the catalyst for Parliament to pass the Historic Places Act in 1954, when New Zealanders lobbied to save the historic building. Isn't it just lovely? What would you say? Inside. Ooh. Oh, here it is. How lovely. I loved it. Just gorgeous. Oh, yardless too. Wow. Oh, sad. We came here to pick up a battery for the caravan and found this place we've never seen before. So cool. Boats everywhere. It's along Port Street at Lower Hutt. Look at this. Does that go? Oh. No. Boats everywhere. The water's gorgeous. Anchor. Oh, charging stations. Look at that. charging stations. Sheesh. Pollution block. Goes on and on. Even over that side. Wow. Okay, so we know now. For the day we buy a yacht and we know where to moor it. Ha ha ha. Beautiful. What is that? It's not, is it? It's a blooming ray in the water. I can see it. Oh, it's going too far. It's going to the boat. It was a ray. Where's Bobby? Bobby? There was a ray in the water. It's swimming over there. I just missed it. It probably came here. A stingray, a ray. What are they called? With the barb and all that jazz. Hello, you come back. Hi. You're not the same one because that went off in the other direction. Are you gorgeous? Hey, family of you. Gonna go and meet your mate? Okay. I'll let you. Bye. Ah, neat. That's what you've put it down to. Jet skis that would come in here and fly on into there and stop and get their coffee. Yummy. Desperation. Wow, how neat. What a cool place. This is lovely, isn't it, Bobby? Lovely under the shade. Still going downhill. Means we have to come back up. Scary thought. Hello, aren't you sweet? It's disappeared. It's a beautiful bush, beautiful walk. Going down. What's the sign say? Yeah, oh, look at this. It's beautiful. Where are we? Oh, those are big steps. Oh, Jones. Oh, where does that lead then? Lovely. It's over here. Is this them? And there's no signage. Hey, what? Is that it? And there's no signs? Must be them. Super. Oh. Oh, goodness. So I can walk past? Is that a yes or a no? If when they walk on you, can you walk on you, baby? Oh, darling. Are you okay? He's not happy? Oh, just rest a while. Tread on that bird? Why is the bird not moving? There's a little bird down there that's not moving. Hope you haven't trodden on it. Oh, this is cool. Oh, really? Is this safe? Safe to walk along? Oh, wow. Cool. Am I supposed to get up there holding this? There we go. That's scary. Perched on here, shaking legs. Eek. Eek. And how do I get back? I don't know if I can get back. I'm going to have to go back over that way. Coming up wasn't so bad, but going down, we can't climb over it, so we got to go around it. So we've got something to hold on to. Your side or my side? I could go this side. You've got a tree in the way of yours? Uh-oh, here comes humans. This is going to be embarrassing, Bobby. There's people coming. Can you get through your side? It's a dead animal. They're swimming down there. You see them? Oops. You made it. Oh yay, those people were going up. Hey, Bobby. You take my bag? If I fall, concrete crunch. So I've got some foxgloves to get past. How lovely. Why do we oldies do these things, Bobby? Are we crazy or what? Are we the only ones who do this? It was lovely.